I'm Nick Williams with SVN Commercial Advisors here for One Quick Thing. And I'm here with a stud, someone that I look up to a lot, Mr. Jacob Espinoza.
How are you doing?
From the New Leader
Workshop, yeah.
So if you haven't listened to his podcast, please do it. One quick thing today, we're going to talk about professional attire. Jacob, I was really encouraged to hear you actually broach this topic because it's kind of a untalkable thing for some people.
Yeah.
A lot of people are just kind of, they're like suit and tie people. Some guys are like me. Some are kind of a hybrid. But you actually talked about your evolution. And I was wondering if you could share a little bit of that journey and what you've kind of learned along the way.
Yeah, I think just me being asked this question is a testament to the progress that I've made because I generally have been very much a jeans and a hoodie. That was an evolution from cargo shorts and a hoodie. So I've grown for sure, but I really just wanted to be intentional with my brand. I put a question out on Facebook and asking people, when you're picking a business coach or a leadership consultant, is attire important?
Yeah.
And I got some really insightful information and insights. Something that really carried with me is just really understanding it's not about you. It's about the client, what's important for their brand.
Yeah.
And what we wear, sometimes it can help us stand out, right? It's part of our package. If you think of like opening an iPhone, like the packaging is an experience. It's not that's not maybe the most important piece.
Tom Hoffert said that.
Absolutely. Yeah. In the podcast, he brought that up. But also it's a sign of respect. And so I really try to think about that when I'm getting dressed and I know I'm be meeting with somebody or I might be in a place where there are potential clients there. I want to be intentional about how I'm representing myself. And so I'm still kind of experimenting with my style a little bit, but shopping at Banana Republic now instead of, wearing blazer gear every day. So, yeah.
So do you find yourself, I caught myself doing this morning, looking at my calendar to see what the day looked like, who I was going to be with and around, and then kind of doing what I was doing with my attire based upon that. Is that a driver for you?
Absolutely. Yeah. The audience is definitely important. Something Kyle Sexton came in and chimed in with was you want to dress one step above the audience if you're the consultant or you're the speaker.
That's good.
And so I try to think about that approach.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not about feeling like I'm wearing something because I'm more significant, but it's just I want to take it a step up because of how much I respect the audience that I'm working with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. It's good stuff, man. Well, thank you for your authenticity on that journey and for sitting down with me and just doing a one quick thing video.
I appreciate it. This is awesome you're doing this. We need more of this type of stuff in the community. So kudos to you for getting out there and making it happen.
Oh, just one step at a time, 1% better every day.
100%, man. That's it. Yeah. That's the game.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Nick Williams, Mr. Jacob Espinoza, the host of the New Leader Workshop. You've been with us for one quick thing. Have a good day.
Take care, you guys.
Boom.
Awesome, man.